A diagram is given. From that, find vector AB. Vector AB is equal to vector AC plus vector CB, which is equal to A plus B. Next part of the question is find OE. Vector OE is equal to vector OA plus vector AE. A is the midpoint of OB, so OA is equal to A plus B. And E is the midpoint of AC, so AE is equal to half A, 3 over 2A plus B. Next, find vector OD. Here, O, E and D lie on a straight line, so OD can be written as T times vector OE, where T is a constant. T times 3 over 2A plus B. Mark this as equation number 1. Here D lies on CB. Let D divide CB in the ratio S is to 1 minus S. So vector OD can be written as vector OC plus constant S times vector CB. Vector OC is vector OA plus vector AC plus S times vector CB. OA is A plus B and vector AC is A plus S times vector CB is B. Mark this as 2. Now compare the coefficients in equation 1 and 2. So we get 3 over 2t is equal to 2. So t is equal to 4 over 3. Substitute this t value in equation 1. So we get OD is equal to 3 over 2 times 4 over 3a plus 4 over 3 times b. So 3 and 3 gets cancelled. 2 goes into 4 2 times. So 2a plus 4 over 3b is the value of vector OD.